So I had a little issue come up. I ain't took care of it yet. Came up the other day. My beast, or my Tonka toy, my F-350, the window regulator decided not to work anymore. I honestly don't know right now if it's the motor itself or if it's the button, but I suspect because of cheap plastic parts and the way manufacturing has gone to save cost and time and money and allow people to make more money at the top, and just the cost of materials period, that there's a plastic internal regulator metal where the metal rope winds up and lets go to tighten and loosen on the motor so that the window goes up and down. I suspect it's made out of plastic, and the cheap type of plastic that all manufacturers started using electric windows from the past has allowed more pollution. Every single time it's made more pollution because you're using cheaper product that doesn't last, and we got 7 billion people on this earth, so that's more in the junkyards. So I'm going to demonstrate not just the regulator, but the reasons why the regulator went out, not just fixing it, because you can find out how to fix it, even though I'll show you. I'm also going to demonstrate why the manufacturing process at the beginning made more people money, but in the long run we're polluting the earth and we're doing a disservice to our children because of cheaper manufacturing. There's a way of solving it, and it's not through socialism, it's through better eco-friendly manufacturing, and those at the very top realizing they don't have to have all of this in their own pockets. You can be happy and satisfied, but do it through capitalistic type manufacturing and be eco-friendly. It's my platform of what I believe. If we do things that last for 50 years on most products, like in old trucks and old cars used to last for 50, 60 years, we go back to that kind of manufacturing process, then we can be eco-friendly. We're not wasting as much, and it costs less to produce because we're not driving the prices of manufacturing up on these defective products. So there's 2 bolts here. After you take the cover off, you undo this. You take the door panel off because there's 2 screws you have to take off. Take these 2 screws off, and then there's 4 screws here. After you do that, you can lower the whole assembly down to the bottom. Once you undo all the bolts, you can start disassembling the regulator. There's 2 more 10mm bolts. once you take this bolt out here, you lower it down, and then you lift the window up. Enough. You just keep sliding this backwards. Until it's out of your way. You lift up, and there's just enough room right down in this hole here